Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Quest Pro controllers not updating. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be having problems with your Quest Pro here and it's not updating. So what you could do is you could try resetting the controllers. So you want to hold the A button, which in this case is going to be in here, as well as the X button here. Now, in this case, you want to press and hold on it. So while holding it up, what you need to do is you want to tap the Oculus button 5 times until the light starts flashing red and white. Now keep holding the A and X button until the lights goes out and then release them. Now this process will fully reset the controllers, which can help if the update keeps fading or if your headset isn't detecting them properly. Now in this case, that's about it. So those are the things that you can do here. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.